Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore deleted photos and videos on Google Photos. So if you accidentally removed an important picture or video, follow along step by step to recover it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app installed, you can open your favorite browser and go to photos.google.com, then press enter and wait for the page to load. Once the app or website opens, look at the bottom and tap on Collections. From there, tap on Trash and wait a moment for it to load. Inside the Trash folder, you'll see all the photos and videos that were recently deleted from your account. Now, if you want to restore something, simply tap and hold on the photo or video you want to recover. After opening it, tap on Restore, and the file will be moved back to your main photo library. Keep in mind that deleted items only stay in the trash for a limited time. If the file was backed up to your account, you usually have up to 60 days to restore it. If it wasn't backed up, it may only stay there for about 30 days before it's permanently deleted. It's also a good idea to check the archive section as well. Sometimes photos and videos aren't deleted, they're just archived, and you can easily move them back to your main gallery. Just tap and hold on the photo or video you want to recover. After that, tap on 3 dots at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Unarchive. And that's it. That's how you can restore deleted photos and videos using Google Photos. Just remember, if a file has already been permanently removed from the trash, unfortunately, it can't be recovered anymore.